Assalamualaikum dear students, I am Kuratulan.
And I am Arisha.
We study in class 8. Our school's name is 8DS.
Today the topic is fed up with cutting corners. So let's get started. The new year is just around the corner. It's time to shop around for bargains.
Yeah, you are right. Everything is sky high nowadays and I am fed up with cutting corners just to make ends meet.
Why don't you cut down on smoking then?
You may say I am making excuses, but it just gives me some solace.
Get out of here.
Now take a closer look on the vocabulary view. The first word is around the corner. It means very near. The second word is get out of here. It means used to express disbelief.
And the other word is sky high. It means very high. So last word is cut corners. It means do something perfectly so as to save all the money. Thanks.